Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to sound like a female in Clownfish Voice Changer. And if you don't know how to install or set up Clownfish Voice Changer, don't worry, we already have a video on that and we got your backs covered. And if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So let's jump straight into this guide. So firstly, of course, you have to open Clownfish Voice Changer. Just go back here, right click and then click on turn on, and also right click and click on set voice changer. Okay, so what I usually do in order to sound like a female here is just use the female pitch together with the custom pitch using this effect mixer right here. So just click that. So you'll notice that my voice will change here. Click on female
pitch, and then click here and then click on custom pitch. As you can hear, my voice is a lot higher in tone and I do sound actually kind of like a female. So let's just off this for now.
And here are some tips in order to sound more feminine. So actually try to raise your voice in real life. So I'll do a sample of just talking without raising my voice and one with raising my voice. So let's do the effects again. Female
Pitch and custom pitch. Okay. So this is with me not raising my voice at all. So this is just normal speaking, and this is how I sound like. And this is how I sound like if I just add a raise in my voice. As you can tell, it's a lot more feminine. And yeah, that's about it.
Alright, so I'm back to my normal voice, and yeah, it's pretty weird hearing myself sound like a female, but if you guys did enjoy this video, please do leave a like down below and consider subscribing. And watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.